This video is about something that most people don't talk about. Most people talk about the outside results and how you're showing up. There's a whole new dimension that people don't discuss, and that is your energy. Your clients are a mirror of what's going on inside. So let's take a moment now and look at how you show up, what you share, what words you use. The unseen is one of my favorite parts of training clients. My name is Rachel Dunn, and I'm a leader showing company and business owners how to show up and how to implement video in their business so that they get more clients and grow their business. Your energy affects how well your videos are doing on the outside. Now, you may think this is a little crazy, but it's not. I've seen this time and time again with our clients, the ones that do the inner work and the ones that do the outer work as well, and getting their lead generation and their strategies and their show up and they're consistent and do the inner work, they are the ones that smash it. And I find that the energy healers that we help to catapult their business, what happens is they go gangbusters because they understand energy. They also understand that they've done a lot of work on themselves. So the last piece of the puzzle is to look at the video side and then how to get them out there. It just goes, wow. And I've seen this time and time again with energy healers that take on working with us because we understand the unseen, and the unseen has a huge impact on how you're showing up, the little voice in your mind, the confidence. It's the inner energy that is going to attract your ideal client. So let's talk about some things that I want you to think about as you start to show up out there and thinking about your energy. So it's time to think about what are some of those thoughts that come up that really stop you from being confident. It's time to also generate yourself when you are presenting. So right now, I have actually been working really hard today, and I was a bit flat before jumping on here. But I had to generate myself. I had to really move myself into excitement, motivation, and I thought of you. I thought of, well, if I just sit on the couch and I have a rest and I don't do what I was going to do, how will that make you feel? How is that going to help you to go out there and make a difference in the world? That's my passion. That's my motivation, is helping you through this. So I got myself really excited thinking about you watching this, that you taking action, that you're out there. So I generated that motivation, and then I really amped up my energy. So think of yourself as a volume switch and think about pulling that volume up. Say 3 more levels than you normally would be, even 4. Try 10 to start with and see the difference. This is about playing, remember. This is not just about sitting and waiting for somebody else to actually create videos for you and do the work. If you want to be good, you got to do the work. You got to practice. You got to try things and watch it back. Looking back is another thing people don't do. They don't look back because they don't want to see themselves. But how are you meant to get better if you don't look back at yourself? So generate yourself, lift your volume, think about what's going to get you into state. Also, the self-talk that goes on before you do the video is also going to help you. So if you get on video and think, I don't want to do this, I hate this, it's all going to go wrong. Things will stuff up, the cameras might not work, all those things that I'm sure you've experienced will happen. And that's all the unseen. So now, if you were to say, I'm going to be perfect, I'm going to nail it, it's going to be fast, I'm going to be done by this time, that attitude is going to get you everywhere. So think about, before you get on camera and test some of these things out, it's the self-talk going in there. It's lifting yourself up. It's thinking about why you're doing it, connecting to what is your mission. Why are you doing these videos? And then turn yourself up a few notches, because if I just talked in a really monotone voice, you probably would have clicked off by now. So you want a bit of excitement, because you'll be excited if I'm excited. And not over the top. If that's not you, it's going to feel weird when you start. There is no doubt. But if you're excited about something, it's infectious. So try those few things And I'd love to hear in the comments below what you are doing, what you're taking on out of this training. So there's another 5 areas that I've prepared as training, but I want to see how you go with these 5 first. Most people will watch this video and never pick up their phone to practice. And if this is important to you, practice. Take that phone out of your pocket and make a video. Don't come this far and not do anything with it. I want to share with you that I just started pole dancing 7 weeks ago, and I'm terrible. I have not much upper body strength and a full class of gorgeous girls who are about 30 years younger than me doing all kinds of stuff. And we had our assessment last week, and I said to the teacher, I'm not ready to be assessed, but I went along anyway, and she assessed me and I didn't pass. Now, I've been practicing 2 times a week and I'm still not there yet. Now, everybody passed, and that's 30 people that have passed out of that level 1 class. Now, I could have made this mean a whole bunch of things about me, but instead I thought, no, this is my journey. I'm going to repeat level 1 until I feel confident. No matter how long it takes, I'm doing level 1 again, and I feel really happy about it. Video is the same. Don't compare yourself to other people. This is your game. This is your path. It's going to take work. It's going to take practice, tears, and excitement, but you'll get there. You have work to do. No one else can do this but you. So subscribe to this channel and click that little bell so that you can be notified when the next part of the training is released. Until then, let's fast track your confidence and your results. So click the link and let's have a chat. Thanks for joining us, and I can't wait to see you out in the world sharing your story. Stories are going to change the world, and it's your job now to get better, get those training wheels on. You can do this. I believe in you. See you next time.